Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Mangools and Mango. So to get started with the in-depth side-by-side comparison between Mangools and Mango. So to get started, Mangools in 2025 remains an heavy weight in SEO words, offer a full suite of tools including keyword research, backlink tracking, site audit, and rank monitoring. Its long trusted domain authority metric and a detailed guide make it ideal for businesses and agencies that want a proven data-driven platform for long-term search growth. Most ecosystem is built for deep analysis and strategy organization and a reliable support and a reputation that stood the best to test of time. Mango, on the other hand, has a carved out its place as a more affordable and a beginner-friendly SEO site tools. With tools like KW Finder, SEO Pick Checkout, and a link miner, it focuses on simplicity and a clearer insight with delivering accuracy word data, and also provide a backlink profiler. It's great for freelancers, small business, or anyone who wants a powerful features without a steep learning curve or premium pricing. And here's a very conclusion. You can choose the most if you need an enterprise grade SEO platform with a comprehensive data, but pick Mango if you prefer a budget-friendly, easy to use toolkit that still deliver solid results. And that's it.